PDP. 10 candidates from different political parties filed their nominations from Riphoi district today. The candidates who filed their nomination papers on Tuesday include 4 candidates from UDP, comprising sitting MLA of Nongpo Meirul Bones Aim, Bayalang Makdo from Mauhati, Bathok Nongmali from Jirang, and Sunshine Makri from Umsning. 3 BJP candidates who joined the fray today: Dr. Everest Mirshing from Mauhati, Duruth Majau from Umsning, Sanbor Ramde from Umroi. Other who filed their papers were Evelyn Karbani from HSPDP from Mauhati, Osbert Rinja Independent from Mauhati, and Bayatelang Lapang of PDF from Umroi. Meanwhile, 50 nominations were filed today in West Jainta Hills district. The prominent names who joined the fray today were Education Minister Lakmen Rumboy from Amlarem constituency, Andrew Shulai of TMC, and UDP nominee Moonlight Pariat.
Kipaiba ye ku e jing ro ye jing kan no han rai blai hi wa yu o eu the ku jing ko ha jing la lu ti nga hadok kini kisngi man ko dap jing ko ta kipaiba ki de yo ki kipaiba ye to bha ki wa nga u lai chiro nim ta ka in lang sa la